Hello beautiful people, we're back with another banger. Today we're making mackerel sauce. Enjoy! Here are the Peppermix ingredients. Heat up equal portions of palm and olive oil or any oil of your choice. Add in finely chopped onion and fry till translucent. Add in roughly blended Peppermix. Season with crayfish stock, curry, paprika, turmeric, all pepper seasoning and salt. Please like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you. Fry for 15 to 20 minutes or until the oil floats. Stir at interval to avoid burning. Lastly, add in the star of the dish, mackerel. Fish stock to loosen up the sauce. This is optional if you like a thick sauce. Simmer for 5 minutes. All done. This can be enjoyed with rice, pasta, yam, potatoes, etc. See you in my next one, Goldies. Bye.